students, how's your day? Welcome to Science Lesson with me, Miss Rosa. Today we are going to continue our discussion in Chapter 3. We discuss Lesson B. How can we eat to keep healthy? So are you ready, friends? Let's start! So here you can open your book, Pupil's Book, page 66 until 77. So here I will tell you the learning goal for our discussion. The first one, you will investigate the type of diet needed for us to keep healthy. And then you will recognize that some food can be unhealthy. So here you also find the vocabulary such as diet, balanced diet, overweight, and then heart disease, plaque, and then tooth decay, gum disease. So friends, I have some questions. So here, what is your favorite food and how often do you eat it? Is it healthy to eat your favorite food every day? Okay, so let's discuss more here. How can we eat to keep healthy? The first point, what makes a diet healthy? We need a balanced diet to keep healthy and strong. A balanced diet consists of different types of food in the right amounts. So here, we eat more vegetable, fruits, and then healthy oil, such as fish oil and olive oil, and food made from whole grains. And then the next one, eat more dairy, chicken, fish, egg, beans, and nuts. And here on the top, eat less cakes, sweets, white rice, white bread, butter, red meat, and salt. So here, you can take more the types of food near the bottom here of the pyramid and take less on the top of the pyramid here. Food made from whole grains make us feel full, and this makes us less likely to overeat. Eating them is linked to a lower risk to heart disease. Take more these types of food to keep healthy. These are the examples of food that are good for the body. First, vegetable and fruits, and then whole grain bread, whole grain rice, and then milk and fish. For this, take less sugary, fatty, and salty food to keep healthy. The example of the sugary food, look at this picture. The donut, and then the cake, the chocolate, candies, and so on. And then here, the example of the fatty food, fried food, and then butter, and then butter cookies, cake, and then red meat, and so on. Then the example of salty food, so for example salted biscuit, and then salted nuts, and then potato chips. So here, once again, take less sugary, fatty, and salty food to keep us healthy. So I have a question, which is more healthy, the steamed chicken or deep fried chicken? Can you guess? Looks yummy, right? Yes, the first one, the steamed chicken is more healthy. So why is the steamed chicken is more healthy? The way our food is cooked affects how healthy we eat. The deep fried food is fatty because it is cooked in a lot of oil. It's healthier to have our food grilled or steamed because there is little or no oil used. So it's also healthier when you remove the skin of meat. That is to avoid eating the layer of fat attached to the skin. So different people have different types of diet. Look at the first one here. The meal is made of plants. So some people do not eat meat or just eat food that comes from plants. And then the second one here. This meal has food that helps build the muscles. So some people eat food that helps them to build their muscles. And the last one here, this meal doesn't contain pork or beef. Some people do not eat pork or beef. Now let's discuss the second point. What will happen if our diet is not balanced? If we don't have a balanced diet, we can have health problems. Look at this picture, friends. So this child has a big belly, not because he has eaten too much. He has an illness because he has not eaten enough food, such as meat, eggs, and milk. And then here, if we eat too much food, especially sugary or fatty food, the energy we don't use will become fats in the body. We will be overweight. It can lead to many health problems. Or the other effect. So here, eating too much sugary, fatty, or salty food. Look at this heart. So our heart is a very important body part. If it is damaged, we will be weak and sick, may even die. So please, not too much eat sugary, fatty, or salty food. The other effect. So the tooth decay here. When we take in food, especially sugary food and drinks, it can get stuck on or between our teeth. If we don't remove them, a soft and sticky layer called plaque will form on our teeth. So friends, I have another question for you. Are fruits, drinks, and sport drinks good for us? No, friends. Fruit drinks are not same as fruit juices. Some fruit drinks contain a small amount of juices with a lot added sugar. Sport drinks also contain a lot of sugar too. So that's why choose drinks that are healthy. Friends, this is the end of our lesson. So let's recap what have you learned. A balanced diet consists of different types of food in the right amounts to keep us healthy and strong. To keep healthy, take more fruits, vegetables, whole grain food, and then fish and milk. Eating too little or too much certain types of food can cause health problems. Taking too much sugary, fatty, and salty food can cause heart disease. We can get tooth decay and gum disease if we do not take care of our teeth. So friends, is it clear for you for the discussion today? Thank you so much for watching my explanation. See you around. Bye friends.